Jewish history is a part of the history of Hungary and the history of Budapest, and I think it's really important to have a look at this, the history and the history of the Holocaust as well, because I think probably it's not taught in schools in detail, and I think it really would be good if more and more people knew about it, or knew more about it. The Holocaust in Europe consists of the Holocausts in different countries, and I think each and every country has a different story. But I think, well, one of the differences, an exact difference, is the military labor service. That's something that existed in Hungary and can be found in other countries in stories of the Holocaust. So that's probably one. Another important thing is that the process really began the ghettoization and the deportation began only in 1944, which is really, well, if you look at the history in Europe, it's really late. It's a late date. So Hungary was the last to set up ghettos and deport the Jews from the country. So it's a very late date. It hasn't been really dealt with so far. I think the Holocaust Memorial Center can be well, not a solution, but probably can offer or can have part in dealing with the issue, because more and more schools come and visit the exhibition. We can teach children to see what can happen only with ideologies and posters, and I think it's really great. Well, probably, I think a common misconception is that it was done by Hitler and the Nazis only. And I think it's very important to know that actually, probably they were the ones who started it, in fact, but actually it was carried out by different countries, governments, those countries who collaborated with him. Just as if we take the case of Hungary, the ghettoization and the deportation was carried out by Hungarians. So I think that's really important to know, that it's not just something that was done by a particular state or particular person, but it was done by people who were actually among the rest of the community. So I think that's very important.